Let me guess. When you hear the word budget, you probably think of restrictions, cutting back, feeling broke. No fun. But here's the truth. The rich don't budget because they're broke. They budget because they want to stay rich. Budgeting isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the right things and building a life where money works for you, not against you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how the wealthy think about budgeting and how you can apply the same strategy, starting right now, even if your income is low. Let's flip the script. What most people get wrong. The poor and middle class budget reactively. They get paid, then spend, then maybe try to save what's left. It's like trying to plug a leaking boat after you're already sinking. The wealthy do the opposite. They plan every dollar before it's spent. They don't ask, what can I afford? They ask, what's the best use of my money today to increase my freedom tomorrow? The average person uses a budget like a band-aid. The wealthy use it like a blueprint. The real purpose of a budget isn't about limiting your life, it's about designing your future. Every dollar you earn is a little worker. You can send it to build your wealth or to entertain you for 5 minutes. Here's how the rich use their budget. First, they pay themselves first. This means saving and investing before spending. Then they separate money into categories like needs, wants, investments, and freedom goals. Finally, they review and adjust constantly, not once a year, but often. Think of it like a GPS. You don't just type in your destination once and hope for the best. You adjust your route when needed, and you stay focused on the goal. Now, if you want to start managing your money like the rich do, you need more than just tips. You need skills. That's where Skillshare comes in. Skillshare is an online learning platform with thousands of classes on budgeting, investing, productivity, and even money mindset. You can learn from actual professionals, people who walk the talk, and discover how to apply these lessons in real life. Want to build a better relationship with money? Want to learn to invest, build a business, or create another income stream? Start today with Skillshare. Hit the link in the description or comments to try it. Invest in yourself. It's the first step to financial freedom. So how do you actually build a budget that works? Here's a step-by-step framework. Step 1. Know your numbers. Track everything. Income, expenses, random spending. You can't improve what you don't measure. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Set aside at least 10 to 20% of your income before you do anything else. This money goes into savings and investments, non-negotiable. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a baseline. 50% for needs, housing, food bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, lifestyle. 20% for saving and investing. But here's the key. The rich modify this rule. They often live on 50% or less of their income, not because they have to, but because they want to grow their wealth faster. Step 4. Automate everything. Use technology to your advantage. Set automatic transfers to savings, debt payments, and investments. This removes emotion and builds consistency. Step 5. Review weekly. The wealthy don't set a budget once and forget it. They check in weekly. They adjust. They stay alert. It's not about perfection. It's about intention. Common budgeting mistakes. Let's be real. Most people mess up their budget for the same reasons. They don't track spending. They try to cut too much too fast. They forget to budget for fun, then overspend. They don't include investing as part of the plan. And worst of all, they treat budgeting like punishment instead of a tool. If budgeting feels like suffering, you're doing it wrong. It's not about being cheap. It's about being strategic. Let's review how the rich budget differently. They pay themselves first. They treat money as a tool for freedom, not just survival. They track, plan, and adjust intentionally. They live below their means to grow beyond average, and they never stop learning. That's why platforms like Skillshare are so powerful. Here's the truth. Budgeting is not boring. It's how you take control of your life. So ask yourself, are you spending to survive? Or are you budgeting to build freedom? If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's one budgeting change you'll make this week? And don't forget, try Skillshare today using the link in the description. Financial education starts with action. This is Poor is the New Rich, and we're just getting started. Let's flip the script on money.